Good
evening, product. My name is N. Ganesh Suryavanshi and my registration number is 19MIC0027. Now we are going to tell about the sum of odd numbers in a given series program. Here we add the odd numbers in an array. Mount C command is used to mount the working directory from which DOSBox was started. Mount a specific folder from your hard drive. C command is used to change directories from Z to C. CD is used to change the directories. Edit.asm is used to edit the files. We use the edit.asm. .asm abbreviation is means automatic storage management. Masm file command is used in an 86 assembler that uses Intel syntax from MS-DOS. Lincoln debug command is used to combine assemble .obj files into extendable and that is debugged. T command is used to execute every instruction. Now, my friend Jayshankar will continue next.
Good evening to all. My name is Jayshankar. My registration number is 19MIC0049. I am here to explain this code. First two lines are the initializing for the data segment. At start, it moves data to AX register and it moves AX address to DS register and it moves and stores 3000H starting address to SI and moves and stores 3500H at destination address to SI. Next, it loads the data offset SI into the CL register and next it increments the values of SI by 1. Next it moves CH00 and loads the value 00 into CH register. Next it loads the value 00 into AL register. It loads the data offset into BL register, then moves 0H to DL and test BL. DL and operation of content of BL and value of DL flag registers are modified. Next, it adds the contents of AL and BL registers and stores the result in the AL register. Next, it increments the value of SI by 1 and next it loads the content of AL register to memory location. Next, it moves this value to AH and then it makes INT 21H and from here my friend Rakesh will continue.
I am Chandra Rakesh. My registration number is 19MIC0059. I am going to explain you about the step-by-step execution of the sum of odd numbers in an array program. Now we execute the masm.filename.asm file to check if there are any errors and the warnings. Here we find no errors and warnings, so we continue. Now we execute the link filename.obj file. 3 files are created. Now we debug the file with .exe extension. Now we use T command to trace each and every line of the output. Now DX register is moved to AX and the SI register is set to 3000 and the data index destination index register is set to 3500. Now we enter the values into the data segment 3000. Now we enter the 4 values as 15, 28, 7 and 8. Again we trace here CL is loaded with the content in the SI which is 4. It is an even number, so increment SI is incremented. Now CH is set to 0 and AL is also set to 0. BL is loaded with the content in the SI which is 15, which is an odd number, so we add. Now DL is moved to 01 is GL is set to 01 and we test BL and DL. If both are equal, we add them. Jumping instruction is executed. Both are odd numbers, so we add AL and BL and we perform DA. DA does the bitwise AND operation on them and we increment the SI. Then we go back again into the loop, into the array to add other odd numbers. Now BL is set to the content in the SI. Now we will get 28 number. It is an even number. So we again move the DL into DL to 01 and we test the BL and DL and we again execute the jump instruction as it is an even number. Now we increment the SI and the loop goes back to the array to check other odd values. From here on, my friend Shashank will continue.
Good evening to one and all. I am Sashank. My registration number is 19MIC0025. Now I am going to explain the remaining part of the output of odd sum of odd numbers in a given series. Now the register having the value of 07 in the address of 3003. Now the SI values moves to BL register. Then initially the DL value having the 01 value in the DL 01 value. Now you are using the test operation to compare the BL and DL registers. Then it will jumps to the jump instruction. Then it will come, then it will check that the value is odd or even. If the value is even, if the value is odd, then it will perform the addition operation. The 7 is the odd number, so it will perform the add operation. Then it will convert that DAA. DAA is used to convert the hexadecimal value to decimal value. Then again it will increment the SI register. Now it will end from the end of the loop. Now again it will start iterate from the first starting of the loop. Now the present DS registers having the 8 value. Again the SI register is moved to BL register. Then again the DL value having the 01 value. Then it will check that BL and DL registers. The 8 is even number, so it will comes out from the loop. Then again it will increment the SI register. They can again iterate. It will start the iteration from starting of the loop. Then again it will check again. Now the value of DL is now again the value of the DA, it will compare the DL. Then though the DS value is 3500, then it will compare, it will check the conditions. Now it will can display the value of register 3500 values. Now the value of 3500 is 22. It is the sum of odd numbers in a given series. Now it can come from the out of the program by using the quit command QIT. This is the end of the program. Thank you.